Yes, students, I am writing the first question in the another video. In this video, I am giving you most important questions for NEET. These questions are related with different types of chapters. Today, I am giving questions related with chapter electrochemistry. The question is potential of hydrogen electrode. Potential of hydrogen electrode. Potential of hydrogen electrode at pH is equal to 10. pH is equal to 10 is A 0.0 volt, B 0.591 volt, C minus 0.591 volt, and D minus 0.0591 volt. It is the question. It means pH is equal to 10, potential of hydrogen electrode at standard concentration. You know that the standard concentration is an important part. At standard concentration, it gives potential generally taken as 0. Hydrogen electrode is a standard reference electrode. With respect to this electrode, when we couple this electrode with other electrode, we must determine standard potential value by taking EMF of cell. Total EMF of cell is equal to standard potential of H2 plus that another type of part, means higher potential minus lower potential. हायर पोटेंशियल माइनस लोअर पोटेंशियल. 0 अगर हायर है तो अगला माइनस में आएगा, 0 अगर लोअर है तो अगला प्लस में आएगा. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन फॉर रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल और एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल प्लस रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ positive and negative electrodes. Here you know that the equation electrode potential at any condition E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 upon N into log of concentration of product for electrolysis, concentration of reactant. This is the equation. This equation, which is known as Nernst equation. With respect to this Nernst equation, we can put all values of here. It means that you must decide the hydrogen electrode. You must decide reduction of hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen electrode means PT, H2, PTH2 in sampark with H plus. H plus is the iron, and H2 gas adsorbed on platinum plate. This platinized platinum plate is dipped into 1 molar H plus ion containing solution, and the reduction reaction for this is 2H positive plus 2 moles of electron, which gives H2. It is a product. It is one of the reduction reaction. You know this reduction reaction. Product means here concentration of product. If it is gaseous part, then you must take pressure of H2 gas. If pressure of H2 gas is there, and you must take concentration of H2 gas. If you are taking particularly gas, again you take pressure value. But here concentration of H plus is given to you in the form of pH. pH के फॉर्म में आपको H+ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है. You know that pH is equal to 10. pH is equal to 10 का मतलब होता है H plus concentration of this solution is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power of minus 10 is equal to 10 raised to power of minus 10. You know that pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration. Negative logarithm of H plus concentration. This is the 10, and if you are determining H plus concentration, then you must say that H plus concentration is equal to 10 raised to power of minus pH. 10 raised to power of minus pH जो भी आएगा 10 raised to power of minus pH H plus concentration is equal to 10 raised to power of minus pH. It means H plus concentration दोनों तरफ एंटीलॉग निकालोगे आप तो एंटीलॉग से कन्वर्ट होगा, दैट इज अनदर थिंग. बट इफ 10 raised to power of minus 1 H plus है तो pH 1 होगा. 10 raised to power of minus 2 H plus concentration मोल पर लीटर क्यूब है तो 2 pH. 10 pH का मतलब है 10 raised to power of minus 10. H plus concentration is 10 raised to power of minus 10. Yes, we will put this value. Standard potential 0. Standard hydrogen electrode potential is 0 minus 0.0591 upon N. N means how many electrons here in this electron. How many electrons can donated? 2 moles of electron. 0.059 by 2 into log of concentration of product. Concentration of product is unity. It is taken as 1. H2 concentration of unity. H2 concentration of product H2 is taken as 1 divided by concentration of reactant. That reactant is 10 raised to power of minus 10 raised to power of minus 10. 10 raised to power of minus 10 to the base 10. Solve this. 0 तो नहीं लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं अभी. minus 0.0591 by 2 into log 10 to the base 10 to the base 10. It means into 10. It is 0.0591 into 10 divided by 2. 0.0591 divided by 10 raised to power of pH is equal to, if pH is equal to 10, then here H plus concentration, 2 H plus concentrations are there. Yes. H plus concentration is 2, डबल H plus concentration है तो आपके पास H plus concentration 10 raised to minus 10 है. इसको आपको स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा, H plus concentration स्क्वायर, क्योंकि 2 H plus है ना, सॉरी यहाँ पे 2 H plus concentration है तो H plus concentration स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा. H plus concentration 2 बार है ना तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा उसका, H plus concentration into H plus concentration, H plus concentration square. H plus concentration square means it is 20. It means it is 20. It means 20 divided by 2 is 10. When we multiply this, 0.591 is our answer. फिर एक बार मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँगा, ये जो इक्वेशन आपने लिखा था ये 2H plus 2 electron which gives H2. Log of concentration of product means concentration of H2. Concentration of reactant means concentration of H plus square. H plus into H plus, 2H plus है ना, तो concentration of H plus square is the main part. मैंने पहले एक H plus लिया था तो H plus एक लेने के कारण यहाँ पे आपको ट्वाइस है तो ट्वाइस लेना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको ट्वाइस नहीं लेना है तो आपको हाफ करना पड़ेगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन भी हाफ करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे एक आएगा तो चेंज भी कर सकते हो आप. इट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम. पोटेंशियल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड, pH is equal to 10. pH is equal to 10 means H plus concentration is equal to 10 raised to power of minus 10. 10 raised to power of minus 10 into 10 raised to power of minus 10. 10 raised to power of minus 20. minus 20 ऊपर चलेगा 10 raised to 20. ये ऐसा आता था log of 1 upon 10 raised to power of minus 20. पावर चेंज हो जाएगा, 10 raised to 20 ऊपर जाएगा तो पॉजिटिव होगा तो ये 10 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे क्योंकि ये आपको मालूम है log of 10 to the base of 10 is equal to 1 होता है. Log of 10 to the power of base means 10 raised to power of 1 is equal to 10. Log of log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2 होता है. 10 raised to power of 2 is equal to 100. ये इक्वेशन है log के लिए. Yes, okay. Yes, next question, what is the standard reduction potential? Standard reduction potential of 0.1 mole solution of M plus ion. And reduction potential, standard reduction potential of that is given to you, minus 2.36 volt. Means standard reduction potential of this part is 0.1 molar solution is somewhat change is there. Standard reduction potential is given to you, only reduction potential, not standard. Calculate reduction potential at any condition. Reduction potential of 0.1 molar solution of M plus ion. Standard reduction potential is given to you. एक बार स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल नीचे दिया है तो ऊपर स्टैंडर्ड गलती से हो गया. तो ये m प्लस है ना, तो इक्वेशन क्या होगा बेटा, m इज इक्वल टू m प्लस प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन. It is reduction process. With respect to this standard reduction potential which is given to you, and you must determine the reduction potential of that. Yes, by taking Nernst equation, आपको लेना है Nernst equation, Nernst equation से आपको solve करना है. What is Nernst equation for this? Nernst equation for this, yes, Nernst equation is E is equal to standard reduction potential minus 0.0591 divided by N into log of concentration of M plus divided by concentration of M. Here this process is not reduction process. This process is oxidation process. M gives M plus plus electron, it is oxidation process. For reduction process, नया इक्वेशन यहाँ पे लिखूंगा मैं, M plus plus electron which gives M plus plus electron which gives M. So this product becomes at the top side and reactant becomes at the bottom side, concentration of M plus, concentration of M divided by concentration of M plus. Standard reduction potential is given to you, that is minus 2.36 minus 0.0591 divided by 1 into log of unity, इसका concentration 0.1. 0.1 means 10 raised to power of minus 1. Minus 2.36 minus 0.0591 upon 1 into log of 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 ऊपर आएगा तो 10 होगा, वो नीचे 10 to the power of minus 1 होगा ना. ये 1 upon 10 to the power of minus 1 है ये बेटा. 1 upon 10 to the power of minus 1 का मतलब क्या हुआ, 10. तो log of 10 to the base 10 ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो minus 2.36 minus 0.0591, it is, do the calculation, 1 2 3 4 1 2 minus 2.3600 minus 0.0591 ऐड करोगे तो 1 9 minus 2.4191 minus 2.4191 volt. It is the answer. What is reduction potential of 0.1 molar M plus ion? तो पहले तो आपको मैंने ऑक्सीडेशन दिखाया, फिर रिडक्शन दिखाया, फिर ये स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल उसका है दिया वाला, और ये रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल निकालना है. रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इज इक्वल टू standard reduction potential minus 0.0591 upon n number of moles of electron loss or gain. प्रोडक्ट साइड रिडक्शन का प्रोडक्ट ये मेटल एंड मेटल प्लस आयन. मेटल प्लस आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 0.1 है. 0.1 नीचे है तो 1/10⁻⁻⁻1 होगा ये. तो 10⁻⁻⁻1 ऊपर चले जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर 10 ओनली 10 होगा. ओनली 10 होगा तो 10⁻10 1 होगा. ये एडिशन इसका ये आएगा, आंसर इसका ये आएगा. ठीक है, चलो. Here's the next new question. This question related with this quantity of electricity. Quantity of electricity which is in coulomb. Quantity of electricity in coulomb means 1 ampere current is passed for 1 second. It is 1 coulomb. 1 ampere current is passed for 1 second. It is 1 coulomb. It means that there is a statement 1 gram equivalent amount which is to be liberated or deposited on the electrode by electrolysis process. Required amount of quantity of current is 96,500 coulomb. 1 gram equivalent. 1 gram equivalent means एक बार equivalent mass उसका, जो equivalent mass होता है एक बार लेने का. 1 gram equivalent, 1 into equivalent weight. 2 gram equivalent, 2 into its equivalent weight. 3 gram equivalent, 3 into its equivalent weight. Gram equivalent for liberation or deposition. Liberation or deposition of 1 gram equivalent substance. 1 gram equivalent substance by electrolysis. 96,500 coulomb electricity required. 96,500 coulomb means it is 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday electricity is required. That is 1 Faraday of electricity required means it is for 1 mole of electron. In another word, if this reaction takes place, 2H plus 2 electron which gives H2 means 2 electrons are accepted by this 2H plus, means for this phenomenon of reduction 2 Faraday electricity is required. 2 Faraday means 2 into 96,500 coulomb. 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 coulomb. But here question is quantity of electricity required to liberate 0.01 gram of equivalent at the electrode. तो 1 ग्राम के लिए 96,500, तो 0.01 के लिए कितना, तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा 96500, ये 2 0 चले जाएंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद, इंटू 0.01, मल्टीप्लिकेशन डायरेक्टली 965 आएगा, मुझे लगता है ऐसा. 0.01 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 2 ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होगा इधर, 965 कूलम. इट इज़ आवर आंसर. ओके, एनी डाउट है तो आप सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, लिख लो. So many questions are coming for your NEET examination. Going to next question. In this new question, students, in this new question, you must write and solve so many electrochemical equations are there, so many oxidation reactions, so many reduction reactions are there. Here 96,500 coulombs of electricity. 96,500 coulomb of electricity means 1 Faraday electricity. 1 Faraday passed through copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution से पास होता है. Copper sulfate after ionization it gives Cu++. plus SO4 minus minus. This Cu plus plus, reduction of Cu plus plus ion takes place. This active metallic ion accepts N2 electron which gives copper. This is reduction process. Such type of reduction process is going on with respect to 2 Faraday electricity. 2 Faraday electricity means 2 Faraday electricity means 2 into 96,500 कूलोम के लिए कूलोम equal to 1 mole of copper. 1 mole of copper. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ कॉपर आपको निकालना है तो आपको इक्वेशन मालूम हुआ. डिसोसिएशन ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट, डिसोसिएशन ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट इज Cu plus 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 SO4 minus minus. Cu plus plus accepts 2 electron which gives Cu. This reaction includes that 2 moles of electron. When 2 moles of electron includes, then the reaction 2 Faraday electricity is required. 2 Faraday electricity means 2 into 96,500 coulomb. 1 mole of copper which is to be deposited. When 1 mole of copper is to be deposited, it means you are requiring only 96,500. किधर है भैया? ये 96,500 कूलोम के लिए कितना? 2 into 96 1 मोल तो ओनली 96,500 के लिए कितना होगा आपको मालूम है? या अगर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपके समझ में आएगा. कैसे समझ में आएगा? 96,500 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इंटू 96,500 तो 1/2 होगा. 1/2 का मतलब क्या होता है? 1/2 होगा डेफिनेटली. 2 इंटू 96,500 यस करेक्ट है. 1 मोल 2 इंटू 96,500 मीन्स 1 मोल. 96,500 कूलोम है वहाँ पे तो ये 1/2 होगा. 1/2 का मतलब 0.5 होगा. नॉट 0.05, इट इज 0.5. इट इज द आंसर 0.5 मोल. 0.05 नहीं है उसका आंसर 0.5 है. गलती से मैंने 0.05 लिखा होगा. दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री. कंटिन्यू चलता रहेगा ये तो कंटिन्यू नीट एग्जाम तक. लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स आपके सामने आते रहेंगे. जितना हो सके उतना फास्ट आपके सामने वीडियो में मैं ला रहा हूँ. बस आपकी बात है, आपको पढ़ना है. माई सेल्फ अरुण भांगे फ्रॉम परभणी, महाराष्ट्र. If you are having any type of suggestion, tell me. I will accept that type of suggestion. I will solve so many types of questions because there is a need with respect to the student. How handle the questions fastly? What are the concepts related to the question? Okay? Bye bye.